AI isn't your biggest threat right now. The way you're currently operating is. And if you don't fix it now, AI is going to expose it. Most loan officers and realtors are asking the same question, and I'm going to tell you it's the wrong one. It's not, is AI going to replace me? It's, am I easy to replace? Because AI doesn't eliminate value, it exposes it. Welcome to Elevate with Enbody, and I'm your host, Tim Embody. And here's where I think this actually matters because this isn't about technology at all. It's about behavior. The same things that make you effective right now: follow up, speed, visibility, consistency. AI just amplifies them all, or it exposes the lack of them. So let's be honest with each other. A lot of the industry has been running on relationships, referrals, and repetition, not innovation, not systems, not leverage. And now something just showed up that can do the average work that you're doing faster, without thought, without excuses, without bullshit, without all the overtime pay. It brings in that basic value. And that is why you're in trouble. One is saying clearly that AI is not replacing great loan officers. Okay, I've heard this, but it is replacing all you predictable ones. The ones who say the same things, follow the same process, bring really no difference between you and the next person. Because if someone sounds like that to you, would you use them? You can be replaced by anything at that point. If you sound like Google, you'll be replaced by Google. Let me give you an even simpler example. Think back when you'd go into the grocery stores and you used to have all these amazing people out there checking us out and like, hey, Tim, hey, Abby, how you doing? Those sweet men and women that were at those checkout lanes have all been replaced by the automatic checkout lanes. Those machines didn't replace great service. They replaced basic service. Not amazing people, basic service, the repeatable stuff, the predictable stuff. And that's exactly what's happening here. You've been warned. So don't ask, is AI coming? Because it's here. It's actually shifting gears fast. It used to just be one or two, and now it's dozens and dozens and dozens. What do I actually do that can be replaced is what you need to be thinking right now. Because if you don't have a clear answer to that question, that's your actual big problem. And here's what most people are missing. While you're worried about AI, someone else is actually using it to respond faster, to follow up better, to create more content, to stay in front of more people. And they're not guessing anymore. They're executing. So AI won't replace you today, but someone using AI, they're going to eat your lunch. The next version of this business is simple. Average gets automated. Elite gets amplified. That's it. I don't believe there will be a middle ground. AI doesn't level the playing field. It simply widens the gap. This goes back to what we talked about time and time again. Visibility before opportunity. Consistency over intensity. Ownership over excuses. AI just makes it easier to do all the above. At scale, actually. But it doesn't make you better. That part's still on you. If you've been inconsistent, if you've been invisible, reactive, then yes, you should truly be concerned because that version of a loan officer or a realtor could become extinct. It's exactly what's getting replaced in the market right now. Tools are not going to replace you as a professional. Your weaknesses are going to get exposed. But here's the opportunity. This one's a big leverage point for you because most people won't adapt. They'll make excuses. They'll hesitate. They'll overthink it. Paralysis by analysis. They'll wait. They'll fall behind. You don't need to become a tech expert. That's what a lot of you guys are thinking right now. You need to become more intentional with the tools that you have at your fingertips. Increase your visibility. Tighten your follow-up. Have better conversations. Work your scripts through the AI. Improve them. So here's the question. Are you building a business that can be replaced or simply one that you can amplify with the tools that are at your fingertips right now? And in most cases, for free. Because if you're serious about staying ahead of the actual AI, I would do one thing right now. I would drop AI in the comments because if you do that, I'm going to share with you the tool that I'm using, not in theory. It's something I use in real execution. AI is a tool to me. It's not a threat. Staying the same, that's the threat. Until next time, keep elevating your business and your brand.